Hi, this is Johnny Shell with SGIA, and here's today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Recently, polyester and polyblend fabrics have become very popular choices by customers wanting printed shirts. For the screen printer, this brings a unique challenge with it, and that is a need to prevent dye migration. It's a phenomenon unique to polyester, and when printing the polyester, the heat-set dyes can sublimate out of the fabric and migrate into the printed ink. This occurs at extremely high temperatures, so even though you have your dryer set to around 320, it doesn't stay at 320. So as the thermostat cycles, the temperatures in the dryer can reach as high as 365 or higher. This occurs most often on red polyester shirts. If you've ever printed white ink, white plastisol ink on a red polyester shirt, and then go back a few days later, you'll notice that the ink has turned pink. So here are some ways you can avoid dye migration. The first I would recommend is buy a polyester ink designed for printing on polyester fabrics. Usually they have a much lower cure temperature, say around 265 Fahrenheit. And what this does is inhibits the dye migration process, but it's not a full cure. So the second thing I would recommend is using what's called a barrier base. Many ink manufacturers now offer these for printing specifically to polyester. They're usually gray in color, and what they do is provide a barrier between the polyester garment and the ink color that'll go on top. So you can see this shirt here is 100% polyester. We have the gray barrier base already printed. You would then print an exact duplicate of this image using your white ink or whatever color ink you want. It does mean you have to make an extra screen though. So these are some suggestions for preventing dye migration. It's a common problem, especially these days with polyester being such a popular choice. And that's today's tech tip.